Are you using Windows, but secretly wishing it looked like a Mac? What if I told you that you don't need to buy a MacBook to get that clean, premium macOS feel? In this video, I'm going to completely transform a basic Windows 11 setup into a sleek macOS-style desktop. We'll install the macOS dock, add the top menu bar, apply custom themes, change icons, animation, everything to make it look almost identical to a real Mac. And the best part? You can do all of this on your current Windows PC. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the transformation. But before we begin, make sure to watch till the end, because I'll share some small tweaks that make a huge difference in the final look. Alright guys, let's start the video. First things first, we're going to create a system restore point. This step is very important. Go to your desktop screen. Now move to the search bar and type create a restore point. Click on it to open. Once the window appears, select your local disk, C, and click on Create. Now give it any custom name. For example, I'll name it Customization Only. After that, click Create again. This restore point will help you revert back to your original Windows settings anytime. So if you don't like the macOS look later, you can easily go back to your previous setup. Once it's created, simply close the window. Now moving to the next step, I'll provide all the required links in the description box. First, download UltraUXThemePatcher. Open the file and install it. Just click Next, 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 and then Install. It will take a few moments to install. Once the installation is complete, you must restart your system. After restarting, we'll move to the next step. Next, download the Night Owl theme for Windows 11. The link will also be in the description. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder, open the theme folder, then go inside the Windows 11 theme section. Copy all the theme files. Now go to C drive. Windows, Resources, Themes, paste the copied files there and click Continue if prompted. After that, go back to your desktop, right-click and select Personalize. Then go to Themes. From here, select the macOS Light Mode theme. And just like that, your macOS style theme is now applied. Now for the next step, we need to download and install Windhawk. Download it from the link in the description. Open the setup file and install it normally. After installation, open the software. Inside the app, go to Explore. In the search bar, type Resource Redirect. Open it and click Install. Now guys, simply open the application and install it. After installation, go to the Icon Theme section. There, you'll see the macOS Light Mode option. Just select it and click Save. Wait for a few seconds. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply click Yes. It will take a little time to apply the changes, and your macOS style theme will be fully installed. Now, moving to the next step. Wallpaper. I'll provide the macOS wallpaper link in the description. Download the wallpaper. After downloading, open it, right-click on it, and select Set as Desktop Background. And as you can see, the new background looks clean, minimal, and absolutely amazing. Now it's time to install the macOS dock. Go to your C drive and create a new folder. You can name it anything, but I'll name it macOS. After creating the folder, open the downloaded macOS dock files. The link will also be in the description. Copy all the files and paste them directly into the macOS folder you just created. Then open that folder. Inside, open the x64 dock file and install it. Within a few seconds, your dock will appear on the screen. Now let's configure it properly. First, disable taskbar auto hide. Then open the dock preferences. Go to General. No changes needed there. Next, go to Appearance. Set the blur intensity to 15. Set transparency to none. You can adjust other settings like icon blur or styles if you want, but I'll keep everything default for a clean macOS look. Keep icon theme, system tray, and storage manager settings on default as well. Option called Open Storage Manager. If you enable it, you'll see open files appear on the left side of the dock. You can also move it to the right side, but I personally won't use it, so I'll keep it disabled. Now go to Windows Animations. Choose any opening animation you like, then select a closing animation as well. Next, go to Behavior Settings. Here you can adjust the dock size and icon size according to your preference. You'll also see options like border distance and custom icons. Then go to Advanced, and under Global Icon Style, select any style you prefer. Keep the rest of the settings default and close the preferences. Our dock setup is complete. Now remove any unnecessary icons from the dock. You can also add your favorite apps. For example, I'm adding Steam here. You can add any apps you use frequently. Now let's install Rainmeter. The download link will be in the description. Download and install it normally. Just click Next, Next, and install. After installation, open Rainmeter. Load all unnecessary default skins. Close everything so we can start fresh. Next, we need to install Big Sur 26 widgets, or whichever widget pack you're using. I'll provide the link in the description or comment section. First, log in with your Google ID. Then click on the download button, and it will start downloading. Now, guys, move to your downloads folder. Open the Big Sur 26 file, download it, and install it. I'll quickly open it. Just click Next, Next, and then Apply. After installation, you'll see an option called Apply Theme. From here, select the left side theme option. Once you select it, another option will appear asking which style you want to use. I'm selecting Glass Mode, then clicking OK. Now this is very important. Follow all my steps carefully. Main part here is configuring the widgets and settings properly. First, go into Settings, then open Styler. Inside Styler, you'll see an option called Hide Labels. Enable it. This will remove the text labels under your widgets, making everything look cleaner and more macOS-like. You can also disable or remove any widgets you don't use. Just follow exactly what I'm doing on the screen. Don't skip the video. Next, click on Glass again. Now go to Shortcuts. From here you can add any shortcuts you want for a beautiful and functional layout. Example, I'm adding ChatGPT settings, system shortcuts, and other tools to the left side. You can customize everything according to your needs. I've added all the widgets one by one just like you can see on the screen. Now moving to the next step, Square Player. This is a music player widget. The link will be in the description. Go to the website and download it the same way you downloaded the previous software. Install it normally. After installation, it might not appear immediately, so what you need to do is open Rainmeter. Inside Rainmeter, you'll see Square 2.0, open it, and the Blur Style music player will appear on your screen. Now we need to resize it. Right-click on the widget, click Edit, inside the file. Find the scale value. Change it to 0.5 or lower depending on your preference. Save the file. Now adjust all the widgets properly one by one just like I'm doing on the screen. And now, here is the final result. Your complete macOS-style Windows setup is ready. From the dock, to widgets, to glass transparency effects. Everything is customized from A to Z. Now your Windows 11 looks clean, premium, and almost identical to macOS. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We transformed everything. The dock, widgets, glass transparency, icons, everything is now fully customized. I'll see you in the next video.